Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lobster garlic noodles. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including a 1.5 pound lobster, 8 ounces of egg noodles, and plenty of fresh garlic. Then, we will prepare the lobster, ensuring it is perfectly cooked and ready to be incorporated into our flavorful dish. Finally, we will craft a rich garlic butter sauce that brings everything together for an unforgettable meal. To begin, you'll need to prepare your lobster. For a 1.5 pound lobster, steaming it for about 8 to 10 minutes is ideal, or you can boil it for approximately 7 minutes. Once cooked, allow it to cool slightly before carefully extracting all the succulent meat from the tail and claws. Chop the lobster meat into bite-sized pieces, setting it aside for later. This ensures your lobster is tender and ready to mingle with our amazing garlic sauce. Now, let's create the star of our dish, the garlic sauce. In a large pan, melt 1 stick of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, add 8 cloves of finely minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Next, stir in a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, mixing well. This combination creates a deeply savory and aromatic base for your noodles. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Cook 8 ounces of egg noodles according to the package directions until al dente. Drain them well, then add the cooked noodles directly into your pan with the garlic butter sauce. Toss vigorously to ensure every strand is coated. Gently fold in your prepared lobster meat. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh chopped green onions and a generous sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.